Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best mini air compressor is probably one of the most important purchases you will make for your airbrushing setup, as the right compressor can make all the difference in achieving smooth, consistent results. In this video, we will review several top-rated mini air compressors, comparing their features, performance, and overall value to help you choose the perfect one for your needs and budget, whether you're a professional artist or just starting out. Number 5. Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2. It's the ultimate airbrushing system, designed for both professionals and enthusiasts. This kit has everything you need to start creating stunning artwork. Its powerful motor ensures consistent performance, while the dual cooling fans prevent overheating, allowing for extended use. You can work on large projects without interruption. This system includes 3 different airbrushes, gravity feed, siphon feed, and a dual action option, giving you the flexibility to tackle any project. Each one is designed for ease of use. The included acrylic paint set provides 6 vibrant, opaque colors, along with reducer and cleaner. You'll have everything you need to get started right away. It's more than just an airbrush, it's a complete system. It comes with a quick start guide and access to additional resources to help you master the art of airbrushing. Backed by a trusted brand committed to your satisfaction, you can purchase with confidence knowing you're getting a high-quality product and excellent support. What we like. It comes with 3 different airbrushes to fit various needs and a set of 6 vibrant opaque colors to get you started. The included guide makes it perfect for beginners. If you're new to airbrushing and want a complete kit, this is the one for you. What people say. This kit is super easy to set up and use. It works great. The compressor is super quiet. It has everything you need to get started. And I'm new when it comes to airbrushing and have no idea where to start, but this set allows me to go step by step and hopefully, become an experienced airbrush guy. It has a set of airbrush paints and hose. It comes with all the necessary documentation including a color wheel. It also has 3 complete airbrushes. This tank and the cool running motor is extremely quiet. Number 4. Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2. Get ready to experience the ultimate in airbrushing technology. This system combines power and precision for effortless creativity. It features a high-performance compressor with dual cooling fans, ensuring extended use without overheating. The large tank provides consistent air pressure for smooth operation. The Precision Airbrush boasts 3 nozzle sizes, 0.2 mm, 0.3 mm, and 0.5 mm, making it perfect for intricate details or broad coverage. It's adaptable to various applications and paint types. This complete kit includes everything you need to get started: airbrush, compressor, hoses, holder, and a helpful guide. It's designed for ease of use and optimal performance. From hobby projects to professional artwork, it empowers you to explore your artistic vision. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, it's the perfect tool for your needs. This system is backed by a trusted brand committed to your satisfaction. Enjoy a seamless and rewarding airbrushing experience. What we like. This airbrush boasts 3 different nozzle sizes for ultimate versatility, from fine details to broad strokes. The 3-liter tank ensures consistent air pressure for smooth operation. If you need precision and consistent airflow, this system is your best bet. What people say. The compact size and quietness of it makes it great to use in my room, with proper ventilation of course. The already included airbrush is great for what I need it and it's doing a great job at it. The compressor is super quiet and the airbrush is really good for the price point. The airbrush itself feels pretty solid in my hands. Nice and heavy and durable. The compressor also feels pretty solid, and it's also quite small, about the size of a large shoe. I honestly didn't know they made them that small, but its size in no way inhibits its function. It performed perfectly, and since it's smaller, it made less noise and it isn't huge and clunky. The brush itself performed great. There were no splotches, bubbles, hiccups, or whatever else that tends to mess up. The paint lines were nice and smooth and I was very pleased. Number 3. Master Airbrush G22 System Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to start your airbrushing journey. It's perfect for beginners and professionals alike. The kit features our Precision G22 airbrush, known for its versatility and ease of use. Its 0.3 mm fluid tip provides exceptional control. The included C16B compressor is compact and powerful, providing air on demand and automatically shutting off when not in use. It's perfect for any workspace. From hobbies and crafts to cake decorating and even temporary tattoos, it's suitable for a wide range of creative projects. Unleash your imagination. The kit includes a helpful guide booklet to help you master the art of airbrushing. It's designed to make learning fun and straightforward. Backed by Master Airbrush's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, you can trust in a hassle-free experience. We stand behind our products. What we like. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for on-the-go projects. The automatic on-off feature adds convenience. If portability and ease of use are priorities, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The compressor does make a little noise, but then I was not expecting total silence. If you have other people in the house, it will not bother them at all. The pressure knob is easy to adjust. Hose connected just great with no need for Teflon. I ran the compressor for 30 minutes unconnected to the airbrush. It did not stop or overheat. The airbrush is a basic model and will do what I need for simple primer application and painting wider areas. The trigger moves smoothly. It has a good balance and sits in the cradle on the compressor just fine. The compressor worked as it should and only came on when I pushed in the trigger on the airbrush. The compressor works great and it's somewhat quiet. It has a pressure adjustment but no indication of PSI. The air hose is plenty long enough and feels like good quality. Taking it apart to clean is fairly easy with common sense. Perfect for my small-scale multimedia artwork. Nice and quiet. Doesn't bounce around the table when it's running. Love that it shuts off when you stop pressing the button on the ink gun. Number 2. Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2. This system is designed for both beginners and professionals. It's the ultimate airbrush system for all your artistic needs. It features a powerful yet cool running compressor, ensuring long, uninterrupted use. No more overheating worries. You get 3 versatile airbrushes, a gravity feed, a precision siphon feed, and a single-action siphon feed. Each is perfect for different techniques. This set includes a variety of airbrushes to handle various projects and techniques. It's perfect for artists of all skill levels. The kit comes with 6 vibrant, opaque acrylic paints, a reducer, cleaner, mixing wheel, and brushes. Everything you need to get started. It also includes a quick start guide and access to our Airbrush Resource Center. We're here to help you succeed. Backed by a trusted brand, your satisfaction is guaranteed. Enjoy a hassle-free experience. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes 3 versatile airbrushes and 6 vibrant acrylic paints. A quick start guide simplifies the learning curve. If you want a complete, user-friendly setup, this is an excellent option. What people say. It came with a large variety of air guns, paints, and manuals. The manuals contained information on how to maintain the kit, tips for paint mixing, and how each gun and compressor operates. Everything came well packaged. Guns each have their own case and feel and look of good grade. Compressor is a decent size and fits in corner of my workbench. It's smooth and very quiet. Wonderful airbrush kit. It's quiet, has auto shut off and comes with so many extras. After a few weeks of using this and many different paint types, it seems to handle them all quite well, from airbrush paint to acrylic paints. Number 1. Master Airbrush TC326T. This is the Master Airbrush TC326T, a professional-grade air compressor kit designed for serious airbrushing. It's built to deliver superior performance and long-lasting reliability. It boasts a powerful 15 HP single-piston motor with 2 built-in cooling fans. This keeps it running cool and prevents overheating, even during extended use. The 3-liter air tank ensures consistent air pressure, eliminating pulsation. The precise regulator with gauge and water trap provides clean, dry air for optimal results. It features premium rotor windings for increased lifespan and delivers a high air volume of 0.8 CFM and a high airflow of 25 liters per minute. It's also oilless and super quiet. This lightweight and compact compressor includes a built-in carrying handle for easy portability. The air-on-demand system automatically shuts off when not in use, saving energy. It comes with an airbrush hose and holder, plus a comprehensive manual and access to our airbrush resource center. Backed by a trusted brand, you can buy with confidence. What we like. Built for durability, it features dual cooling fans for extended use and operates quietly. It also delivers a high air volume for efficient performance. If you prioritize longevity and quiet operation, this compressor is a top choice. What people say. This compressor is one of the standards for a small compressor airbrushing. Because of the storage cylinder pressure bumps when the compressor turns on are smooth rather than disruptive. The compressor also has a reasonable noise level. The compressor rapidly filled the tank, and most impressive was that even at 40 pounds psi the compressor could keep up without a drop in pressure even after the tank was depleted. At lower pressures around 30 psi the compressor rapidly refilled the tank and shut off, indicating that it was easily keeping up with the air loss in the tank. It's very quiet at 45 decibels, very portable, and ready to go right out of the box. I was impressed by the heavy-duty construction and chrome plating. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.